Most people assume millionaires possess some kind of secret knowledge unavailable to everyone else. They imagine access to exclusive investments, special connections, or complicated financial strategies that ordinary people could never understand. While some wealthy individuals certainly benefit from unique opportunities, the reality is often far less dramatic. In fact, many millionaires know the same information available to almost everyone else. The difference is not usually knowledge itself. The difference is which ideas they take seriously enough to act on consistently. What separates financially successful people from everyone else is often a collection of principles that seem obvious in hindsight but are surprisingly rare in practice. One of the biggest misconceptions about wealth is that it comes primarily from earning extraordinary amounts of money. While income certainly helps, countless examples prove that earning more does not automatically create wealth. There are professional athletes, entertainers, and executives who earned millions and still ended up in financial trouble. At the same time, there are teachers, engineers, business owners, and ordinary workers who quietly became millionaires through disciplined financial habits. This reveals an important truth. Wealth is not simply about how much money flows through your hands. It is about how much of that money remains working for you long after it arrives. Imagine two people receiving the same raise. One immediately upgrades their lifestyle. The other upgrades their investments. 10 years later, their financial situations look completely different, despite starting from the same opportunity. What millionaires understand is that every increase in income creates a choice. That choice may seem small in the moment, but repeated hundreds of times over a lifetime, it can completely transform someone's future. Many wealthy people also understand something that most people underestimate. Time is often more valuable than money. Money lost can usually be earned again. Time lost can never be recovered. This is why financially successful individuals frequently begin investing long before they feel completely ready. They understand that waiting for the perfect moment often costs more than making small, imperfect progress today. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos from us. With that said, let's get back to the video. One of the most powerful concepts millionaires understand is the difference between income and assets. Income requires continuous effort. Assets can continue generating value long after the initial work is completed. This distinction changes the way wealthy people make financial decisions. Instead of focusing entirely on earning more money, they focus on acquiring things that can produce future income, appreciation, or long-term value. This could be investments, businesses, real estate, intellectual property, or other productive assets. The specific asset matters less than the principle itself. Wealthy individuals consistently convert income into ownership. Over time, that ownership begins generating additional income, which can then be converted into even more ownership. This cycle becomes one of the most powerful wealth-building forces available. Another thing millionaires understand is that financial success often looks boring. Social media frequently highlights dramatic success stories, luxury lifestyles, and overnight achievements. Real wealth creation is usually much less exciting. It involves automatic investments, controlled spending, long-term planning, and consistent decision-making. These activities rarely generate headlines, but they generate results. This is one reason many people struggle financially, despite having access to excellent information. They search for extraordinary solutions while ignoring ordinary habits. They want dramatic breakthroughs instead of consistent progress. Yet most millionaires become wealthy through years of disciplined actions, rather than a single life-changing event. Wealthy people also tend to view debt differently than most people. Many individuals focus primarily on whether they can afford a monthly payment. Millionaires often focus on the total long-term cost instead. This difference may sound minor, but it dramatically changes purchasing behavior. A manageable monthly payment can make almost anything seem affordable. Looking at the total cost forces people to consider opportunity costs and long-term consequences. This mindset helps explain why many financially successful people avoid unnecessary debt even when they could easily qualify for it. They understand that future income becomes more valuable when it remains available for investing rather than servicing past spending decisions. Another lesson millionaires learn early is that appearances can be expensive. Many people spend significant amounts of money trying to look successful. They purchase luxury products, expensive vehicles, and upgraded lifestyles, primarily because of how those things appear to others. Wealthy individuals often recognize that appearances and wealth are not the same thing. In fact, Some of the wealthiest people live surprisingly modest lives compared to what their financial resources would allow. They understand that money invested grows, money spent on status disappears. While there is nothing wrong with enjoying success, many millionaires prioritize building wealth before displaying it. One of the most overlooked principles wealthy people understand is the importance of financial margin. Financial margin is the space between what you earn and what you spend. It creates flexibility. It reduces stress. It allows opportunities to be pursued and emergencies to be handled without panic. Many people increase spending every time income increases. Millionaires often do the opposite. They intentionally protect financial margin even as earnings rise. This gives them more freedom, more options, and greater resilience during economic uncertainty. Another important distinction involves how wealthy people think about risk. Most people associate risk with investing. Millionaires often recognize that avoiding investing carries its own risks. Inflation reduces purchasing power. Delayed investing reduces compounding opportunities. Excessive caution can quietly damage long-term financial outcomes. This does not mean taking reckless risks. Successful investors often focus heavily on risk management. What it does mean is understanding that every financial decision involves trade-offs. Sometimes the greatest risk is remaining completely inactive while time continues passing. Many millionaires also understand the power of environment. The people you spend time with influence your financial behavior more than most realize. Habits spread, expectations spread, attitudes toward money spread. When surrounded by people who constantly spend, comparison becomes difficult to avoid. When surrounded by people focused on growth, saving, and investing, those behaviors become more natural. I'm curious about your experience. What is one money lesson you wish someone had taught you earlier in life? Share it in the comments below, because your answer might help another viewer make a better financial decision. Another thing wealthy individuals understand is that financial freedom is often more valuable than luxury. Freedom means having options. It means not being trapped by debt, financial stress, or dependence on every paycheck. Many people spend years chasing expensive lifestyles without realizing that true wealth often comes from reducing financial obligations rather than increasing them. This perspective changes how success is measured. Instead of focusing entirely on income, wealthy people frequently pay attention to net worth, cash flow, assets, and financial independence. They understand that income creates possibilities, but ownership creates security. Perhaps the most important thing millionaires know is that wealth building is usually a process rather than an event. There is rarely a magical moment when everything changes overnight. Instead, wealth accumulates gradually through thousands of decisions made over many years. Every investment contribution, every avoided impulse purchase, every debt payment, every productive asset acquired. Individually, these actions seem small. Collectively, they become powerful. At the beginning of this video, we talked about the idea that millionaires possess secret knowledge unavailable to everyone else. The truth is often much simpler. What millionaires know that most people don't is not a hidden investment strategy or an exclusive financial shortcut. It is the understanding that wealth is built through ownership, patience, discipline, and time. They know that income alone is not enough. They know that appearances can be misleading. They know that small decisions compound into massive outcomes. Most importantly, they know that financial success is usually the result of consistent action rather than extraordinary intelligence. The encouraging part is that these principles are available to almost everyone. You do not need a perfect starting point. You do not need extraordinary income. You simply need to begin applying the lessons that many wealthy people have followed for decades. The future version of you is being shaped by the financial decisions you make today. Small improvements may not feel significant immediately, but over time they can completely change the direction of your financial life. If you want to keep growing your financial knowledge and building long-term wealth, check out one of the videos on your screen right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.